My order from Mood is here. I am so excited. Let's open it up. So I recently placed an order on Mood. This is the first time I have ever ordered from them, so I'm really excited. I recently did one of their society patterns, and there'll be a video going on about that. But this is the first time I've actually ordered fabrics. So there's 2 main fabrics, 5 swatches, and then like this ribbed knit set, which I'll kind of show you. And I'll also talk about the different ideas that I have for them, as I'm all excited about it. Oh, it looks like someone's coming to help, but let's get in. So the first thing that was in the package was all the swatches, so I'll save those for last to go through them. Okay, so this is the ribbed knit set. You can kind of see it here. It's kind of what you would use if you're like making a sweatshirt. So it includes the parts for a collar, the hem, as well as the cuffs for the sleeves. I made a mistake and accidentally got navy, as you can clearly tell in the video. I was more going for black as I had another idea for it. It's okay though. I think it's going to be really interesting to use. I've never used something like this before, but I was excited when I saw they had the option to get this, so I decided to get it to try it out. I think if it works really well, I'll probably get another one and maybe make like another sweater. But yeah, I'm really interested by it, so let me see if I can take it out to show you a more in-depth view. There we go. So you have this one main piece here, which I believe this is for the neck and cuffs. And then we have the hem. Oh, there's like 3 pieces. Okay, so it's 3 separate pieces. So one is for the neck, which I'm going to assume is that one. One is for the hem, and then one is for the cuffs. It does have this raw edge, which you said you have to be careful with as it was prone to fraying, so that was really good to know. And then in the bag that it came with, it does provide information, you know, so like rib knit bundle, navy, 100% acrylic, and then 3 pieces. So very helpful for what it is. So the next item is this beautiful, it's called Italian Basic Gray and Chalk Blue Plaid Cotton Suiting. So when I placed this order, they were having a sale on all of their suiting. So I got this as I really make some pants for work with it. It has a really nice feel, definitely is not see-through, which is nice, really nice quality. I'm going to be making a pattern that I had gotten, I think it was actually over the summer, like in August, for pants. I'm going to be making these pants, hopefully, with it. I think it will work out really well. I realized that the tie may be a little less dressy than what this fabric looks like, but I think it will work. I'm really not too concerned about it. But yeah, I love how it looks. It definitely has that nice professional feel, which is what I was going for. Then the last fabric that is in this box, you can see it down there. It's like this cute little bow fabric. I believe this is white and navy bow printed cotton dobby jacquard. I may be pronouncing that wrong, but I love how it looks. It's so cute. So I think it's gonna work really well for a shirt for work, which I am again gonna be using this pattern to make this shirt with it. I already have the pattern pieces cut out, so I think it's gonna be really, really exciting. It is a little bit see-through, especially like if you hold it up in the light, but I think just wearing a tank top or something underneath will make it just fine. But I'm really excited to use this. It looks even better than I expected. I love the square print on it. It looks so good. So now it is time for all of our little swatches. So this is a Riviera Creamy Polyester Velvet Blue Gray Solid. It's so soft when you feel it. Like, it feels so nice. A lot of these I got because I wasn't sure what the fabrics actually felt like. So for example, this is a Navy Cool Max Wicking Athletic Mesh. I really want to try to make some running shorts, so I was trying to see like what different types of fabrics they have for that. So this is a mesh material, so it is kind of see-through. Then I got this Avatar Rain Striated Wicking and Antimicrobial. So this is stretchy as well. It feels really interesting though. I don't think I would make running shorts out of this, but I do kind of like the feel of this material. It feels very smooth. Then I got kind of a similar purple one, but this was just a stretch polyester jersey. It's very stretchy, it's very soft. I really actually kind of like how this one feels, like maybe like a running shirt with it would be cool. And then I got this, so this is Goji Berry Polyester Fleece Back Jersey. So this feels exactly like a sweatshirt material would feel. It feels really nice. I got the bright colors just so to kind of like separate and keep them apart. But yeah, I love how this turned out as well. So these are my purchases that I got from Mood. I'm so excited to use them and get started with it and see how creating goes. I will keep you posted. I will be sure to also include videos of making both the top, the pants, as well as whatever I end up making with the rib knit. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe.